Hello, good morning, everybody. Mohammed Ashik Khan once again continuing the discussion on mock exam papers for financial accounting under ACCA fundamentals. Let's resume the questions. Question number 11. Which two of the following are differences between sole traders and limited liability companies? So, whoever discussed the limited liability company chapters or theories in relevant topics, they should know this easily. The first one, if I read, the sole traders' financial statements are provide a company's financial statements. Sole traders' financial statements are private, whereas the company's financial statements are sent to shareholders and may be publicly filed. Obviously, yes. All the sole traders' financial statements will not be published publicly unless some special requirement comes from court or auditors or bank, whereas the company's financial statements are given to all the shareholders and also needed to be submitted to the register of companies. So that is the correct answer. We need two answers. Second one, only companies that have capital invested into the business. No, that's not correct. Even sole traders also, they do have capital. So that is even incorrect answer. A sole trader is fully and personally liable for any losses that the business might make. Obviously, yes. In every situation in sole trader partnership business, the liabilities are not limited. All the liabilities should be borne personally. Whereas limited liability company, the liability is limited to the extent of unpaid shares. So that is again the correct answer. Fourth one, revaluations can be carried out in the financial statement of a company but not in the financial statement of a sole trader. No, it's not correct. There is no relationship whether it is a sole trader or limited liability company. For any business of your properties, you can carry out revaluation as long as it is comply with IAS 16. So the answer is 1 and 3. Which of the following statement is true? This is related to ratio analysis. So let's look into this. The interpretation of an entity's financial statement using ratio is only useful for potential investors. No, ratio analysis could be used or will be used by many different users of financial statement on shareholders, employees, bankers, auditors, customers, suppliers, finance providers, and many. So this answer is wrong. Ratios based on historical data and can predict the future performance of an entity. Not precisely correct. So that is again not an acceptable answer. The analysis of financial statement using ratios provide useful information when compared with previous performance or industry average. That is the correct answer. When you are using a ratio analysis as a tool, in order to assess the performance, you have to compare either with the previous year performance or with the industry average, and that is the correct answer. Fourth one, an entity's management will not assess an entity's performance using financial ratios. That cannot be accepted. So answer is third option. Company's motor vehicle at cost account at 30 June 2006 is as follows. Balance brought forward, additions, disposal, balance carried forward. What opening balance should be included in the following period trial balance for motor vehicle at cost 1 July 2006? So it's when you look into this, see what you do is we will open a note here. We have to draw up the timeline. So our where is my book? The book is here. See, they say 30 June 2006. So that means, so this is 30 June 2016. So this is 1 July 2015. Whereas the question they are asking is, what would be the opening balance on 1 July 2006? So that is somewhere here, 1 July 2016. So whatever the closing balance here will be carried forward to the next day. So therefore, when we go here, you see that the closing balance for this year is 36,750, and that 36,750 should be debit balance. So that is the answer, the first one. So with this I will stop my discussion on this, and next video we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you so much, and keep on tuned on to my YouTube channel and subscribe, and also please press the bell button so that it will be beneficial for every one of you. Thank you so much.